I hope you enjoyed Father Ben Goes to Mass. There was many things that we saw during that story, and then also we got to go to the Youth Appreciation Mass yesterday, so maybe you recognize some of the things. We're going to page 20 now in our Image of God booklet. And so what we're going to do on this page is we're going to look at things that are inside the church, God's house. And we treat the things in God's house in a special way. So right here we have candles, and those are lit, and that's a symbol of the Holy Spirit in the church. Then we have the bells. Remember, the bells call us to our services, to the Mass. And then we have the crucifix. And then there's the chalice that's used during the communion, that part of the Mass. So what you're going to do today is simply count each item and circle the number. So for instance, if I do that, for me, I always like to mark something as I count it, so I don't count it twice. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I look down below. I find the number 8 and I circle it. Okay. Now I'm going to count the bells, and again I'm going to mark it as I count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I found 9 here. Okay. Now we're going to count the crucifixes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I look for the number 7 and I circle it. And then for the chalices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I found 6. Okay. All right. So this booklet, this page is all done. I gave myself my exit ticket, and then I'm going to turn to my other booklet, my other religion booklet, my reason for handwriting. And I'm going to open to our next page, okay, which is Lesson 9, Penguin, and we're on page 33. So this is our turn to practice writing the letter P. P is for prayer, right? The beginning of the word prayer has P. The P sound. So the P starts at the dashed line, goes all the way down below the line. It has a tail that goes all the way below, and then you give it a bubble, okay? That's a P, okay? Down here again, I'm going to trace, and remember, if you want, you can pause the video. Remember, I've had a lot of time to practice writing my lowercase p's. And I keep working on my P's here. So what are some things that begin with the P sound? Can you think of something? Did you think of pizza? Did you think of party? Did you think of princess? Did you think of pretty? Did you think of penguin or pig? Did you think of purple or pink? Those are definitely some words that begin with the P sound, like the letter P. Okay, and I have 2 more to go. I'm just starting at the green dot. I go all the way down, and then I give it its bubble right there. Puzzle starts with P too, right? Okay, so we're all done with our religion lesson today. Priest starts with the letter P as well. I'm going to put that away to make sure that I don't lose it. All right, thank you for joining me for this lesson today, boys and girls.